What's up guys, Landon here with LMR.com. Today I'm going to be providing my quick overview of this EcoBoost throttle body from Ford Performance, as well as showing you the very simple installation process. This throttle body from Ford Performance is going to appeal to the EcoBoost enthusiast out there looking for a nice upgrade over the factory equipment. Out of the box, this thing looks entirely too good to install onto the car, so obviously quality and finish is going to be second to none. It's constructed from billet aluminum and then polished to a high shine. Other than the nice polished finish, the throttle valve is anodized blue, which also incorporates properly placed Ford Performance logos. Now the factory throttle body diameter measures in at 60 millimeters, whereas this throttle body from Ford Performance has an overall diameter of 70 millimeters. The increase in diameter is going to allow more airflow into the intake manifold, resulting in more horsepower and torque from your EcoBoost. One of the best benefits from this particular throttle body is that no custom tune is required for it to work with your 15 to 17 2.3 liter Mustang. In the box will be one throttle body and 4 attaching bolts. To begin the install, open the hood. Loosen the hose clamp on the intake pipe with the 7mm socket. Position it out of your way. Loosen and remove the 4 8mm throttle body to intake manifold retaining bolts. Keep leverage on the throttle body whenever you remove the last bolt. Rotate the throttle body to expose the electrical connection. Slide back the red locking tab. Depress the connector and disconnect it from the throttle body. The stock throttle body is now free to come out. Before installing the new throttle body, ensure the gasket is in place and that it's not damaged. Connect the electrical connection and slide the red locking tab inward to secure it in place. Position the new throttle body into place. Ensure the throttle body is orientated correctly and then install all the bolts by hand. Snug them down and torque each bolt to 89 inch-pounds, working in a crisscross pattern. Reinstall the inlet pipe and tighten the clamp. Start the car and check for operation. After that, you're all finished. Alright guys, this install is an absolute piece of cake. This is a great all-around modification for any EcoBoost enthusiast. Now whether your car is still stock or you're adding this throttle body to support other modifications, this 70mm throttle body from Ford Performance is a must-have. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Light.